Hello there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
This locker shelf organization system of baskets has been even more useful than I anticipated. I didn't realize that I would be able to hold such a wide variety of items in these 3 baskets. So there's 2 separate baskets, and then there's one that has 2 sections. These are great for attaching to really any metal surface. I have a metal cabinet in my office, and it holds scissors, it holds markers and pens and sticky notes. It's just endless. This would work great in a school. This would be perfect for a magnetic whiteboard, even your refrigerator if you needed to. So many different possibilities and ways to arrange this. I love anything that helps me to stay more organized, and this definitely does. Haven't you ever been in your kitchen and you're like, oh no, I need a pen, and you have that drawer you don't want to open? Well, now you can store things right on the side of your fridge or any other metal piece with these storage baskets. They are so useful.
And that is my point of view.